In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone if you no longer remember the passcode. But you need to keep one thing in mind as well, that you need to have your Google account data prepared. Because if you were earlier using your Google account data on your smartphone, so the Google FRP will ask you to enter your Google email and password to gain access back to your device. So to do that, first of all, just switch off your device. Once it is switched off, you need to press the power key and volume up key together. Like this, once the device boots up and the Xiaomi logo appears on the screen, remove your finger from the power key, but keep pressing the volume up key. After a while, this screen will come. So here you can see we've got few options like reboot, wipe data, and connect with me assistant. So our concern is the second option, that's wipe data. So just use the volume keys to navigate between the option. Use volume keys to go to the wipe data, and after that, press the power key to select it. So on the next screen, once again, it will show this message as a confirmation that whether you would like to wipe all data, press the power key once again. And once again, it will show a confirmation message that this thing cannot be undone, and whatever content you got on your device will be deleted. And after that, press the power key to confirm. So you can see that data wiped successfully. Press the power key to go to the main menu, and by default, the reboot option is selected. So just press the power key. On the next screen, it will show the option Reboot to System. Press the power key once again, and now your device will reboot. And once the reboot process is finished, you will start fresh on your smartphone. So you will have to do all of the settings that you did at the very first time. For example, you will have to select the time zone, language, the country, and all of these stuff once again. And here we go. So as you can see that the device is starting fresh, and you will have to do all of the settings once again. Everything is deleted, wiped out, and you are starting fresh with your Xiaomi smartphone. So this is how you can perform a hard reset or factory reset when your device is locked. You no longer remember the PIN and password, do not have access to your smartphone. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks.